No, not Ace Steven. Ogoni or Steven.
Yeah, I'm here. Good
Alright.
evening, sir.
I'm gonna make you a co-host, so anybody that wants to join, just add them. Just accept them.
All right.
Alright. Good evening, everybody. Um, so if you're in this meeting and you're on the Figma file, just everybody should come to where I am. Just everybody should just come to where I am. Just bring your arrow to where I am. If you're in this meeting and you're on the Figma, just come to where I am. So we are 14 in this meeting, so I should be seeing like 14 arrows. I should be seeing like 14 arrows. Should be seeing like 14 arrows. This just come to where I am. Let me share my screen. Very good. Very good. If you're in this if you're in this meeting and you're on the Figma file, just use a thumbs up on this so I can see you. So I think that was the instruction that I was giving yesterday. So let's get down to business. So let's quickly answer some question. Mm, so some of you are saying you don't have this option. I can see on the group you guys are having a conversation of. So you guys don't have this AI functionality on your Figma.
I have it on mine.
You say what?
I have it on mine. It's there on my own.
Nadia, I think Nadia said some persons mentioned it. Or do we now have it?
Yeah, I think it's Nate that raised the issue that she doesn't have the AI functionality.
And Chris also. But Nadia, all this thing I'm showing, can you see it on your own AI? On your own Figma? Who is this? Is it Steven? Is this your first time joining the bootcamp? Because I can see you are sending you're sending request on Figma. Who is that person? All right. Mm, so somebody was talking about something yesterday. Sunday Okoro. So let me see your. Oh, he's just joining. Sunday Okoro, let me see your what you were talking about yesterday.
Oh, okay, sir. Yeah, it was just basically the how you were able to frame the pictures inside the. Yes, I just need like maybe one example, then I'll just be able to replicate.
Nadia, this is your feed now. And it's up to date. So what's going on? Oh wow. Aisha. On the exporting issue. Oh my God. I think I found. Please do me a reminder before the end of the class. You should have sent a reminder on the group so I remember. I know about exporting on Figma. What's low quality? How to solve that? Aisha,
Yes.
so I'm gonna send some. I know I've had that issue maybe a couple of years ago. I can't remember how I solved it. But just do me a reminder before when we are ending the class, so I would just try and check on it myself so I can maybe I'll just personally come to your DM or just send me a personal message. But basically, um it's actually easy to solve. I can't remember how I did mine then. But just before as we're going close to the end of the class, just send me just do a reminder. Do you understand? That's for Aisha, right?
Yeah, okay,
So
thank you.
yeah. I really don't know for Nadia and for I don't know why you're not seeing the AI. It's like been a couple of weeks ago that this update is already there. I don't know. Okay, just yeah. Maybe after this and also I'll check YouTube. Probably there's something. So let's go straight to the business. So I said Gideon. Um Okoro Sunday. So are you talking about these images, right?
Yes, sir.
So how did I do what?
Yeah, how you place the image inside and the background color still showing, like still reflecting.
But you did it now, didn't you?
Yeah, I did it, but it was not perfect like this one, so that's why I got it mixed up.
So let's just quickly do this. Um, so let's remove all the images. Or do you want me to take it from scratch?
Yeah, from scratch.
Oh, wow. So it was one of you that actually did this yesterday. So I picked the frame, right? And we draw the frame. So the frame already has a color. So I think this size is 240 by 509 and 90. So are you following? This is for you.
Yeah, I'm
240
following, sir.
by 509 and it was 90 corner radius, right?
Yes, sir. Corner radius 90.
So this is the size for this. And we change the color. Um, how does it benefits? We change the color to purple. So that's it, right? So I know you know how to remove background from somebody said you all can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you said from scratch, so let's do this from scratch. So I open my Figma. Let's look for cute meal. See, somebody should give me a keyword. Portrait guy. Let it go. Let it go. So let's say we use this guy, right? So for those people that don't have AI, I don't know, but Figma already has this. You click on it and you move background, and Figma AI is just gonna remove the background and it maintain the quality of the image. So what do I do next? I reduce the size. So when you're reducing size, always click on shift. When you just drag, it's not going to give you that, it's not going to remain that shape. Graphic designer know this. So just click on, hold your shift button and drag, right? So because this is a frame, you know what it is. So we just pick this image and we'll put it inside this frame, right? Let me just reduce size, centralize it.
Instead of using shift, you can also use K for scaling. Is that not to scale?
Yeah. You can use K for scaling, yeah, true. So there are actually various ways to also. Anybody that's familiar with graphic design will know this shortcut. Yes, good. So Okoro Sunday, do you understand now?
Yes, I've gotten it now.
Do I need to do all the rest?
No, no, no. Yeah. Thanks so much.
Thank you so very much, guys. So we have 10 persons. I'll do a roll call. Annabelle, just thumbs up. You don't need to unmute your mic. Annabelle? No. Are you Annabelle actor? You're not Annabelle. Bethel Amadi. Ade Olasukomi. Adechayo. Adechayo. That's all right. Yusro. I didn't hear Yusro. Okay. Gideon Okere. Is it Steven? Is it Steven? Actor is here. Nadia. Okoro Sunday. Vanessa. All right. So we're going to be going further. Okay. I don't want to take a look at everybody's section. This person has not done the assignment. I think I'll take my time and comment on everybody. So let's take it further. But today I want it to be a very practical session. I want it to be a very practical session. So we're going to work on probably a landing page. We're going to work on a full landing page from head to toe. So it might take us time, but we're going to do that. I'll just try and look for some, and I'm going to give us assignments. So, nice. Let me pick this one. Let's pick this one. So this is today's, yes, this is 8:30. So one of the things I want us to do also is, because we're going to be working on this together, and we're going to be posting them on our socials. So we're going to choose the one we want. Okay, for one that is very hard. Let's choose this one. So guys, is this Steven? You're just joining for the first time. So guys, which one do you think we should work on both of them?
I think this the landing page V2 desktop.
Okay. Another person.
Let's do home.
Home. Okay. Let's go. We are voting.
Yeah, I think that first one is better. Let's do the first one. Right?
So you know what you're going to do is, if you want the home, write home in the comments. If you want the landing page, write landing page in the comments. Be fast, 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 be fast. Be fast, be fast, be fast, be fast, be fast. Landing page is lady though. Okay, first. Rock. Which one should we do first? We're going to do both. Which one should we do first? Landing page. I know people are going to choose landing page.
Why landing page? Now people should change mind.
I don't understand. Are you going to control what people want? This is democracy. So we have landing page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Home 1, 2, 3. Okay. The person that said votes, both. Your vote is non and void. Don't worry, we'll do both. We're going to do both. So everybody go to your section. You can just copy it and go to your section. So we're going to do the landing page first. We're going to do the landing page first, and we'll then do the home. Somebody said the home is complex. Actually not. Actually not. Actually not. None of them is actually. They are both simple. So just copy it to your session. Just copy it. Let me just see. Everybody copy it to your session. I'm checking. Only Gideon has copied it. V. So if your session is too small, you can always take yourself out and go and expand your session. Oh dear. You guys and your button sizes. I've taught you Euro session, right? So I wouldn't even start this Euro session. Now, everybody recreate this Euro session. Use their, okay, no wala, you're in Lagos traffic. Bele. Use their image so you don't have to create any new mock-up. think. How many people know how to use create mockup here? I think when we are done with UI design, when we start working on mobiles, I will take my time to teach everybody how to create mockups, and I'll teach you how to create mockups from the Figma plugin, and also how to create mockup using Photoshop. You see, most of all the mockup you see, they are fine. All those fine mockups that you see, people use Photoshop to do it. So I'll just, when we are done with UI design, when we are creating mobiles, I'll teach you guys how to use Photoshop to do your mockups. All right, is that good? Or we should not?
Sorry, sir. Can I ask a question?
Yes, sir.
Those of us who are already on this boot camp, can we by default join the other subsections? Like you talked about the design system bootcamp and one other
Yes,
portfolio.
sir. Yes.
All right. Thank you.
Yes. Are you on the community group?
Yes, now. I mean, you
Okay.
did bash the other time. On
When
the junior
are you
design.
serious? Yeah. So, and it seems I know you, but your name is Betel Amadi.
Yeah, godfather also.
Where do you stay? Port Harcourt.
I stay in South Africa now.
You stay in South Africa. Okay.
Mm.
Oh, okay. Oh, now I remember. Oh, that you're asking about what is going on here. Are you the
Yeah,
one? Hey.
yeah.
So probably let me just explain. Like, maybe some people doesn't. I know people don't read a lot of things. So even me, when I see too much messages, like a long epistle, I probably won't read it. So the community, we split it into three sections. So we have the newbies, we have the entry level, and we have the junior. So basically, newbies are people who don't have idea about designs actually. So actually, this UI bootcamp was actually created for them because we've done UX, all the what UX is all about. So entry level are people who are just learning. No, people who are already doing design, but they are not up there. They don't have case studies and all that. Why junior are guys who are good? So most of the time, like when we started that concept, the junior guys are people who, you guys should continue creating the Euro session. The junior guys, what we decide to do is entry level will do more of case studies. Why the newbies will keep working on them until we know that okay, you guys are good, and they'll start working on case studies. Then junior guys are basically portfolios and live projects. Okay, so there was an open source live project they were working on. I think they are done with the design. I think the developer has also started working on the coding. It should be ready by the. I'm not sure. It's supposed to be ready by the end of the month or into next month. But basically, that's what we do for junior level. So help people upscale their portfolio, create. I think one of the things we're going to be doing next on junior level is portfolio. So basically, that's it. But it's expected that people don't join more than one. If you're in the community, you're expected to be in just one. So people want to, if you put yourself in three of them, and any of the community managers find out, they're going to remove you from three of them. So you're supposed to be in one of them. So, but any be it anything we're doing, anybody can join. You understand? It's knowledge, so you can always want to be part of it. So by default, we always send information.
All right. Thank you so much.
All right, sir. So you guys should finish this in 20 minutes. I'm just going to be checking everybody. Okay, this is mine. This is mine. Did you all go for? What are you looking for? Leave my.
I just joined the call, so I want to know the one I'm
Oh,
to
what's
read.
going on? So
Yes, sir.
we're working on this too, but this is what we're working on first. So
Okay, sir.
before I start working on it, since I've taught you guys how to create a session, so I told everybody to create this hero section for this one before
Okay.
we continue. So they should do that in less than 15 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
sir. Yes, sir. To be honest, people that don't have this AI feature, you need to have this AI feature. There's a particular AI feature that creates auto layouts for you. Has anybody tried it?
Sorry, so which one are we creating the hero section for? Is it home or
This one,
landing page? I wasn't looking at my screen.
landing page.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, you were the Lord. Oh, you've tried it. The auto layouts, the auto layout AI.
Yes, it makes a whole lot of sense.
Like it
Like,
makes a lot of sense. To be honest, it just is the job. Somebody sent this to the group. Yes, yes. Um, Godfrey and Annabelle. Who is going first? Ladies first.
Sir, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
You're saying something about the AI. Is it part of the futures? Will you search on it?
Which of the AI on Figma?
On Figma?
Yeah, a lot of AI is now on Figma. So if you're looking at the screen, this, for instance, you see this all. You see where it
Yes.
says design tool. So
Yes.
there's an AI that will do your prototype for you now.
Okay.
You can see it. You see everything here.
Yes.
Actually, AI.
Okay.
Then there's another AI that's do auto layout. So let's say I know this is an auto layout. Let me look for one auto layout that is very good. So you see this more auto layout option.
Yes.
Once you click suggest auto layouts, the AI will create the auto layouts. Can you see?
Yes.
Did you see it?
Yes, sir.
So if you're working on something and it's just scattered and you want to give it auto layouts, for instance, let me ungroup this guy and I just have everything say suggest auto layouts. It's gonna do it. Then I can highlight everything and I'll say suggest auto layouts. It's gonna do it. So it's part of the new updates I think I just did. People are
My own,
jumping up.
my own features, my own features is not this.
I don't
It's a
know. Some
different.
persons also said they are not seeing all this. Some people said they are not seeing, like for instance, I can say this AI should turn this thing into image. So you turn it to JPEG. This one. It should turn into a JPEG for me.
No one is doing like that.
So I don't know why. I don't know why the updates. Probably you can just email support.
The update is batch by batch. Yeah, it's not everybody that will get it, but maybe by next week.
Yeah, you still definitely get actually, but I don't know. Maybe
Batch by batch. That's how Figma does it. Even when their beta came out, it's not everyone that received.
yeah, but I actually got it the day. I actually got it that same day.
Okay.
I got it as well, not because me, I'm a creator on Figma, and Figma has even given me money before. Yeah, Figma has given me money before. I think it was like $100 or £100. And I've actually been invited to speak at Config also before. So There is no update that comes. The day it comes, I get the update.
Okay.
But I didn't even myself. I've been seeing that. I've been seeing this thing, but I didn't even pay attention to it. I just decided to check when I saw make prototype. So it means you can pick your design and just um do your prototype for you. This one is even has prototype already. So, but you definitely get it, yeah. Are we done? Why are we this slow? Gideon, you're spacing,
Yes,
Gideon.
I want to reduce it now. I want to reduce it now. That's what I'm
You're supposed to do your grid. That's the first thing you do. When you're creating, the first thing you do is your grid. Last coming is just starting. Oh. Annabelle, you have not started at all. Aisha too have not started. Gideon. Oh, okay. I think somebody also raised up their hand the other time. Gideon.
Yes, sir. It was me. But you answered the question. I wanted you to show us how to use the new AI feature to do auto layout. But there was one I didn't get. You made an image from the new feature, but it's like when you applied it, it's like I don't know whether it worked or
No,
you just.
because I applied it on. It wasn't a that doesn't have a background. So for
Oh, okay,
instance,
okay.
assuming so yeah, so assuming it's just any a frame or a square size something, yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So if there's a background, that would work straight up.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yeah, you guys be fast though.
Sir, I'm done. Please check mine.
That's so. Error number one. Your frame is not joining. Why am I seeing desktop here? Are you seeing this?
Oh, I used two different frames. I was just trying to do a quick one. Let me join them together. I just used two frames. I like to design in sections.
Oh,
So
okay, that's nice. But you're supposed to join them, yeah.
yes, I will. I don't know. I just forgot. Let me just do that right now. A0. Yes, I've done that.
Oh, nice. Okay. So let's use your one. Where are the rests? Are you sure you let your grade be perfect? Are you sure? It's supposed to be here. See? See where I put that ruler? That's where it's supposed to be. Annabelle, you're not done yet. Don't forget the logo in the landing page. Penalty is done, but the spacing, the spacing, the spacing, the spacing between. Look at theirs. Look at the spacing. The spacing. Always the spacing. No, that's to come here, right? The spacing. That's to come here. See. Work on that spacing. Is the still you're still far behind. That's why I need to work on that your button. Let me see this button. Okay. Gideon. Okay. Spacing, 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 spacing. Look at, for all of you, the spacing they use between the two buttons is actually 20. Yours is, so that's the mistake you are making. You combine these three together. These buttons are supposed to be together. The buttons are supposed to be together before you put down that one. That's how you need to
Okay,
show.
sir.
Where is the last comment?
Sir, please, is the nav bar, is it in the same frame with the hero section component? Cause I'm confused.
They're actually two different sessions, actually.
And then they join them together.
Yeah.
But when I join it together, the frame name is showing. I don't know. Like this. It's showing frame.
So you didn't put it inside. You're supposed to put it inside here.
Okay. But I was following this height. And the height of this is the same height as this. But then it's different from this one.
Which one?
How do I explain it? This big frame right here now is
So
the
the thing
same
is, there's
height
a
as
big frame. No, there's a big frame, right? And each of these things are sectioned inside one frame.
inside the frame. Oh, okay.
You understand?
Yeah, thank you. So there's another frame. Let's duplicate it.
Where was Nadia? So your spacing also, Nadia, the spacing between the buttons is 20. Spacing between this button. Hmm, where's actor? All right, let's move on. So I'll wait till 9.
67. Is this not auto layout? No.
Use it
Okay.
totally out for use.
The header. Here section. Here section. Here. Auto layout. Okay. There's auto layout for this. Right. Is this an auto layout? Sorry. View beautiful landing pages, and this is what regular transfer. Maybe regular transfer.
All right, are we all done?
Yes, sir.
So let's move on. So we have our features. Everybody can continue. So we have our features for those who can continue actually.
Sir, should we just follow according to what they have there?
Yeah. Oh, the next thing, this text is English 21 opens good. So this is English. Popular. Okay, spoken is 38. Good.
Uh-uh.
Vanessa, do you have any? let's create um these buttons. So we have
I remember.
easy to edit. We have no code needed. We have responsiveness. We have fast building. So you can easily find out this icon, but let's let's go to Icon. I'm looking
Yes,
for
that's how it works.
edits. Oh, if I can't find exactly like the own, we'll just use our own. And it's something we can create actually. So let's use this little icon. Right. Let me look for another one.
Forty. 40 and done is 90. Uh-uh.
One of the icon, not the icon file. Okay, it was created. From my spirit to my soul. See what we're doing. What's this color? Next one. Easy to edit. I added the layout to all of them. Responsiveness. Added the layout to all of them. So For those who don't understand, I hope you are following me. So we fill this up to white. So this section color. Oops. This section color is from my spirit to my soul. Stroke inside.
So for the second part of the landing page, the text, the smaller text under the header are features. What's the font weight and size? Because it's showing mixed.
So for our features, it's popping semi-bold 38. You can come to my friend and see mine.
Okay.
And the small one is smallish regular 21.
Okay. Right.
Right? This is me to Are we done?
So can I copy the icons.
If you can get it, yes.
Okay.
Where are we? Anybody, any question? Let me see your work. This is this. Where is Annabelle? Annabelle, you're not done with the first session.
No, sir.
Do you need help?
No, sir. But it's just that my own work is not really showing. Last your work is not really showing on my own screen. I don't know if it's network.
Are you serious? So you're not seeing my screen?
I can see your screen. It's just that the work you gave us right now is not showing fully on my screen.
But you can
So I
see
do understand.
what you can see what you are redesigning because I'm on your section.
Yes, like it's loading. It's still loading on my system.
Oh wow.
Oh, so my system just went off.
Yeah.
I've been on the Figma file since around top 5 or so. So my system just went off now.
You're actually not doing bad.
Yes.
Your padding should be 20 or true. Olakukoro.
Yeah.
Oh, Godfrey, you're done.
Yes, sir, I am.
I'm also done. Oh, Nadia, you've even proceeded. Nadia, oh, you didn't put background to this auto layout here. You didn't put background, and they are not. You see, they are not the same size, Nadia. You didn't put background, and they are not the same size. Can you see? Do you understand? Do you understand, Nadia?
Yeah, got it. Got it.
Hmm. Steven, this your hero section, so you just did this header. It doesn't have it's not accurate. Can you see? So you need to put this is also inside an auto layout, basically. Then okay. You actually tweaked your own logo, which is not bad. It's just being creative. Nice. Okay. Sunday. Okay, nice. Nice. Is this person? I don't know who this person is. Is it plus Ife? Ifeanyi Chukwu Pius. Where is Rock? Rock, you're just starting. This person here, Rock,
I'm just getting them, sir.
is 20. Oh, okay, okay. You said you're in Lagos traffic.
Yes, sir.
Are you
Which
that close?
spaces? Yeah, I was close to the house, but there was traffic.
Oh, okay.
Which
Right.
spaces are?
Okay, you're
The other.
between the two buttons is 20, not 32.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Vanessa is almost done. Um, so now let's continue. So in this other session, I want you guys to put images to your own. So I'll go to add images to our own. So if you look at this, right, in this card, this is a card. There are some stroke effects there, drop shadow. So just create yours, but make sure you have image to your own. So what does that mean? Let me do it so you can see. So we still use poppins and mullish. 38. So it's the same font size. Everybody should create this card. Don't copy their card. Let me zoom out and be watching all of you. Create that card. Create that card yourself. Create that card. Let's see. So Mimi sent something to the group. Who is Mimi on the group? Mimi. Yeah. Okay. Is Mimi here?
So I can see drop shadows in the second part of it, like in the cards. Fast building, easy to edit. Should I just ignore that?
No, don't ignore it though.
I don't know how to.
Oh yeah,
Hold on.
let's do it.
I think they have. This should be either variables or I don't know.
There's no variable.
So what are they then?
So
'Cause
everybody, let's do it. Let's do the shadow. Let me just type this. Explore. Steven, I see you. Okay. Explore our portfolio and see. Annabelle, you can talk.
So I'm having issue with this my filling container. Most of them auto layout.
Okay, all right.
I'm having issue.
Come in there now. We have brought to life the bell. So, what are you having issue with? Annabelle.
This particular one, I'm trying to put it's for me to get filling container, but it's only showing me field, word, and all.
But you don't need to fill container. This is just your text now.
Yes.
So I'm not getting your question actually.
Okay. In this your own, you put it in few containers. So I'm trying to put my own in few container. Like after the auto layout, I'm still not seeing few container in the options.
But this is a text. You're not supposed to. It's just a text. It's not supposed to be in auto layout. You don't need to put it in auto layout. It's just a text.
Okay.
So ungroup it. Let me ungroup it for you. Where is it again? Okay, you've done it. So what you need to work on is your line spacing. Do you understand? This is where your own is. So these are you supposed to look. Okay. Did you see what I did? Annabelle. Is Annabelle following?
Yes, sir.
So it's your spacing. Your spacing. Look at it. So you work with what works best for you. Okay. Look at so that's all. I think your font. The font is 21. Oh. I
was trying to follow whatever you're doing
You said what?
in your design.
Yeah, you can just watch what I'm doing mine. Your button, this is not central. This is not centralized. This is my yes is not. Your button is not centralized, so you need to work on your button. This button is not centralized. How did you do this auto layouts?
I typed in the text, then added auto layouts.
Okay, let's check it again. Something is here. You remove it.
Okay.
Now it's centralized. The spacing between these two. No. Spacing between these two. So you combine these three together. You're supposed to not combine them together, right? So these two are supposed to be together. Do you understand?
Yes,
So do your header again. See the buttons. This button, follow me. the buttons are supposed to be together. These two are supposed to be together, right? Your spacing is 20. There's something in your so here's what you need to do. Ungroup this and do it again. The buttons need to be together. Then after you put the button together, then you put it with this. Then you now put it with this. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
So you have this button, you have this button. You put them together, the spacing is 20, right?
Yes, sir.
Then there's something to write here. I think you need to do your button again. Okay. So do this, should be 20. You get, then you join it with this guy. So just finish it with the one I did here.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
And also this your button also. Okay. So this is not supposed to be here.
See the online, eh?
Then your color.
I recharged it.
Your color is supposed to be. So you're supposed to sectionalize this place. So now do your header and replace it. So you can continue from there. Let me see what others are doing. So I think we're about to do Annabelle. If you have any question, just let me know, yeah?
Okay, sir.
So I think we're about to do the, or let me see what others are doing. Has everybody stopped? Eddie Young.
Yes, sir. I was just trying to do the card, to create the card, sir.
Okay.
I was trying to attach the blow under it.
All right.
I didn't create the one at the left. I just copied the one at the left. So I want to create it to the picture.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So everybody, I think some people are having issues with the blur. So let's go there. So we have this card. All right. So I know this is what they did for their own. So they splitted it. Do you understand? Are we following now? Are we following? Vanessa, are you here?
Yes, I'm here. I was actually drawing triangles. Sorry.
All right. So we mixed this is 20, 20, just the top. So this is an image actually. This is an image. that had a blow. You understand? This is an image that has a blow. You get, well, to achieve this, just come to your effects. Are we following? Let me see. Come to your effects, depending on the one you want to use. So, so this is lower. Let's pick their color. You can see it. So sometimes you have to go other to know the effects. All right. So this is it. So, so I'm just going to leave it at 10. We're just going to try several things to see if it works. Let's see. So it's outside. It's spread. Okay. So let's say 10. So it's outside. So I think we're using layer blur. This is blurry. Drop shadow. I don't know. I'm going to use drop shadow. So to achieve this their own, perfectly like their own, this is what I'm going to do. Everybody should follow, because what they did here is they use double elements. So this is what I'm going to do. There are several ways to achieve this actually. Let me use this. Let me put in an image first of all. Let's follow. It's splash. Okay. So, several ways to achieve this. I saw one that this guy is using. I don't think you'll be able to achieve that layer blow with that. Where is mine?
Okay, sir.
So, first of all, this is an image, you understand? But to achieve this, for me, this is what I'm going to do. Let me zoom in on this. I taught you guys something yesterday. It's called opacity and overlay. So I'm going to do this perfectly to this. So, all right. All right. Several ways. So I'm going to choose this color. Then I'm going to go into color. So you guys need to follow. So on the other color, we have, I didn't think I thought we touched this. Everybody, let's pay attention. Let's be attentive now. So on that color, we have solid, we have gradients, we have image, and we have video. Change this to RGB. And we have what we call linear, right? So gradient means this is gradients. This is solid. So solid means one color. Gradient has a lot of specifications. So it has linear, it has radial, it has angular, it has diamond. So on this we'll be using linear. So linear means that you see from here to here, from here to here, you can choose one color. So it means I can have multiple color on this. You understand? I can have multiple colors on this. So here's what I want to do, because I want to achieve that thing. So I'm going to change this color, which is the lower part. I'm going to change it to the color that I want to use, which is this, right? Then I'm going to change this. I'm going to reduce those opacity to 0, right? Then I'm going to drag this down. I'm going to drag this down like this. So, did anybody get it? Anybody, do we all get what I did? Vanessa, this is because of you.
What did I do?
Did you get what I did?
You use linear.
Yes.
Okay. Trying to see if I can do it too.
Yeah, everybody. Let's see. Let me see. Everybody, let's try it out. For those who don't know how to do it. So let's try that. Let's try that. Let's try it out. So the next thing is you can group it because there are 2 elements. Let's try it out. Everybody, let's try it out, please.
Hmm?
Are we trying it out? Or you want me to?
So please, can you go over it again?
All right.
Like with the shape this time around, or do I put the shape inside the frame and then do the
I actually didn't put it. Both of them are shapes. So what I did was I drew the first shape. So I did the first shape. So, which is 3D edges, the corner radius 2020. Then I put the image on this first one. Let me just duplicate this on ground. So I put the image on this. So are you following, Vanessa?
Yes, I am.
So the next thing I did, I put this new one on this one, right? Then I change this to linear. I change this one, this color here. I use the one I want to use, which is this, right? Then I reduce the opacity of this second one to 0. Then I drag this down.
Okay, so is it that we're not using the rectangles and circles? We're adding images.
I said the other time that you people should put image in your own card.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And I
That
group
explains it.
and I group both of them. So
Can this be done with frames
you can,
instead
yeah, you
of
can do with
rectangle?
frame. I can do with frame,
Okay.
yeah. Yeah,
Okay. Thank you.
you're welcome. So should I continue or we already got anybody with any question regarding this? Okay, let me see. I know you can use it. I know you can get it in a shadow actually. Yeah, yeah, you did. You did. But it's too much actually. Yeah. Did you see what he did also to achieve it? So he used inner shadow. Steven,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm with you,
right.
sir.
Yeah, just explain how you did it to everybody. So you can actually also use this inner shadow to do it. Yeah, that's correct. If you can explain it.
Yeah, yeah, sure. I can explain it. Maybe I just run through it again.
Okay.
So basically, let me just take it off totally. So I've selected the frame now. I have it selected now. I place the image. The effect is still on it. So now you go down to effect.
Please, I can't hear you.
Okay. How about now?
Yes.
So you go to effect. You click the plus button. You change it to inner. From drop shadow, you change it to inner shadow. Are we together?
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
want to be sure
Yes,
that.
yes.
Yeah, no. So when you change it to inner shadow, it will pop out a dialog box. So from the dialog box, you change it to a negative color because a negative on the y-axis. So it's going to be negative something since when the shadow is coming up on the top, but to get it to the bottom, it has to be a negative figure. So I will put this minus 13, for instance. So it brings the effect downwards. I don't know. I think that's just how it is. You can increase it. You can just like do it the way you want to. I think 15 is minus 15 is okay. Yeah, that's all. Then you can change the color so it will align with your picture basically. I think that's all. Thank you very much, sir.
Do we all understand? Do we all understand what you did, or you want me to go over it?
Yeah, you can go over it.
You want me to go over it again? Okay. So let me take off the effects now. So I have my image with the frame now. You go to effects, you click on add effect. So originally it's just going to be the drop shadow, but you have to change it to the inner shadow. That's on the effect now. So from there, there's a box beside the inner shadow where you can adjust the properties of the inner shadow. That's the effect settings. So you click on the effect settings, you come over to position. It's after it has popped out the dialog box. So you come out to the dialog box on the effect setting. So on the y-axis, since when we want our shadow to be below the image, so it's going to be a negative sign. So achieve that effect, it's going to be a negative figure. So for me, I used -15 earlier. So with that, you can adjust it. If I want it to be more, maybe I just increase it to, reduce it to -20. Originally, the opacity Figma will give you will be like, would start from 25. So if you want, you can adjust that to in the settings. Increase the width, that's the opacity. I think that's all. And if you want to make it, you want to give it more blur, to give it more blur, just play around it basically. Thank you very much.
You will understand what you did, or you want me to go over it again? Right. One thing that you all should understand is always come to Figma and come and test, because we might not cover everything that we need to cover, but you can always come to Figma and just come and be playing with it. Basically, you understand? So have we all done the three of them for everybody? Looking at us. All right, all right. So let's create that. Let's create that. Let's create that. Let's create that. Let's create that, please. And I even use this one to show you clip content. So after I added the text and everything, I added auto layouts, and I used 20 since we are using 20 for all of them. And that's all. So very simple. Then I use 3. So I'm going to use 4, right? I'm going to tell you why I'm using 4, because I want to show you something. So so I'm going to be using 4, like I said. Let me just bring everything out. The frame. So I'm using 4, and I'm going to tell you why, because I want to show you something. So now we can see that we're only seeing only 3, right? So you can see it's 4, but you're only seeing 3. So this creates what we call scroll. So when you have something like this, all you need to do is click on this, right? I think it's already showing. Let me check something. I'm coming. You can see you didn't see the fourth one, right? So you come here, you see this option here. Can we see here that says clip content? Can we see it? You
Yes.
click it, you move this one back here, and supposed to scroll. I'm coming. Contents. Sure. Where am I still talking? Supposed to scroll. Coming. Have we all done the 4 of them? You're supposed to scroll. Edidion, you can speak.
So, sir, I think why it's not scrolling, I think you have to go to the prototype setting and set it to horizontal scroll because it's on no scrolling. That's why it's not scrolling.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I didn't even think about that. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Everybody's not doing it. Are we done? Are we done? Oh, we are done. You can always progress. So if but do anybody have any question? Do anybody have any question? Anybody with any question? Any question, anybody? So we can move on, right? Can we move on? Right. So I just want to replace these images. So we need to create this section. So we have three stories from satisfied customer. See how Alani be again, but all right. So we have this testimony card here. Do we all know how to create it? So we all know how to create it. Nice. Vanessa, do you know how to create it?
Yes.
Okay. So let me see what you guys are creating. Let me wait for you guys a little bit. Oh, there was Champions League this night. Wow. I'm waiting for us. We're doing okay, Annabelle, you're getting it. Okay, Sukomi not doing bad. Why should I add phones?
Sir, can you please check the session I just did?
Okay, not bad. Yeah, not bad.
Okay, thank you.
Wait. Why is it no? So the color of your session, you didn't change it.
Okay, I'll change it now.
Don't worry, I just did it.
Okay, thank you.
Is somebody saying something? Watching everybody is it Steven? Okay. All right. Actor. Okay. All right. Nadia, how you doing? Oh, so Nadia, you didn't fill your auto layouts. 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 Okay. Nadia, your auto layout size is where it's supposed to be. I just reshaped that for you. This is nice. So Nadia is getting it. Sunday Okoro, let me see what you're doing. Okay, you're also on points. Oh, nice. Did you make the components? No, Sunday, you cheated though.
Yes,
You
sir.
didn't do it yourself.
Yeah, I did make it myself.
You cheated because I just caught you. We're still here. There's Vanessa. Okay. All right. So you guys are on points. Let me see to come in. So come in, try and change all these images. Don't use the same one so it doesn't look awkward. What else is here? Annabelle. Okay. So Annabelle, you also need to change the color of this section. That's what's affecting your.
I will, sir. It's just that the background is no white.
Yeah. So I think that is also good. So you're moving. Just that you're not fast. So you get there. So I think everybody is good. Edit your guy done. Okoro, go and do that thing yourself. You're not the one that did it too. You can see. I can turn off that star because
Okay, sir.
that's a variant. Can you see? That person created a variant. So create your own.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Oh, Vanessa. Right. I think Nadia is almost done. So Nadia, you didn't change the color of this session. You didn't change the color of this session, Nadia. Edit and you can shoot. Nadia, I didn't change the
Alright.
color of this session.
So I'm noticing that most of these elements, both the card, especially all the cards on this design, they actually have effects. Most of them, almost every single card. And when I'm trying to inspect it, I can't see the effects, but as I look at it, I can see effects.
Right, it's confusing.
On,
There's drop shadow effects in all the
on
cards, even
every
the
Actually,
white
single.
look at it. They have stroke.
Yes, but I tried to inspect it to see the effects they used. So I had to just
It's
use
weird. It looks very weird. I don't know. They
Oh, it
look like
doesn't look.
I don't know if I'll call them variables now or I don't know.
No.
No, it's not weird. It's just slight effects that are there on
So
all the
most of them
cards.
have. Steven can go ahead. So
I think the effects are like general. It's not in any specific element.
yeah.
They like selected all and they give the effects. That's what they did. The person did
So
a lazy workshop.
I think it's selected though. I think it is. If you inspect the
no.
card.
This is what the person did. He already had it in his design system.
Oh,
You
person did cheat.
understand?
Okay, you just guide it from there.
So he just use it. It's not carries his work now. So you can see that all his variants are on point. For instance, look at this. You can change this.
Oh, I didn't even check that out. I didn't check that out. Also.
He has
Oh,
all his variants. He has all his components. So this effect, you see that is in everything. This drop shadow and this stroke.
oh.
You see, when you check his card, that's
Yes,
it.
it's on all the cards. I noticed that earlier.
So
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
you're welcome, sir. So that's another thing to pay attention to. It means you guys didn't put it on your own because the one I did is there. think the only one I need. If you look at this, so I put it. You can see. So when you zoom in, you can see it. I actually love using that kind of stroke. Actually. Oh wow, it's really little. I want us to finish this so we can all post this on social media.
Are these pictures on the two cards? Are there pictures that were placed on the background, or the pictures actually came like that?
These ones
Yeah.
depends on how you want to achieve it.
Mm.
If you want to put a picture like this person is a picture, is a circle that a picture was placed inside. So it's like a placeholder. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So by 9:30 we need to wrap up. Well, I want everybody to finish this. Expect your work. For me, okay. You're almost there. Okay, nice. Yeah, way to go. Way to go. So Annabelle, your spacing. The spacing between this one is too much. So use 20. So let it align. You see, let it align with this. Okay. Way to go. David Young. Okay. Steven. Steven, you didn't fill your card. This is Steven. You didn't fill this card. Uh, oh, Nadia is actually there. So now they change these images, like don't use the same. And let me see your alignments. So the alignment is there, but it's not perfect. Follow the ruler that I did. It's your hero session, Nadia. So look at your hero session. Look at, so check that. So Pro Sunday. Okay. It always detach their instance. You're trying to edit them.
Okay, sir.
And look at your spacing. Look at, can you see?
Yes.
Because you are putting them in sessions. Work. Okay. Yes, sir. Vanessa, you're still here.
I was looking for pictures.
Okay, no worries. Continue. So that very good. It is well. Are we almost done? So I'll be stopping by 9:30. So let me stop the stream. So here's what you guys need to do, because I need to go attend to my wife. So once you're done, just type done on the group. Just type done on the group. Just type done on the group. Why are you laughing, Rock? Once you're done, just type. Once you're done with it, just type done on the group. Then I want you all to make a social media post. So just, do you know how to export? Well, we'll do that tomorrow. We'll do that tomorrow. Annabelle, do you have a question?
No, sir.
You're catching everything. Why?
I actually want to put that in a section.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm sending it back.
Okay. Then watch your space. See.
Okay.
So when you're done, just type done on the group. I'll need to end the session now. Just type done on the group. As everybody's finished, you type done on the group, then I'll give us instructions of what we're going to do on social media. Is that okay with everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Let me check. I think
Yes, sir.
Nadia,
Thank you very much, sir.
Nadia is true. So one of the reasons why I was, because I'm still going to give us a brief that you now create, where I'm allowing us to recreate it so that we'll see the difference when we do design and when we recreate. Most people have issues with hierarchy, fonts, color styles, and all those things. Now you can see yourself how clean what you did is, even though you are recreating. So once we've done some couple of recreation, then I'll give us a brief. Then we're going to design it ourselves. So all right, guys. So once we're done, just type done on the group, done on the group, done on the group. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much, everybody, for joining. Do have a
Thank
wonderful
you.
night rest.
Thank you
Okay.
so much.
All right.
Good night.
Good night, sir. Good night, ma'am.